Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. So today in School for Elders, I have a highly inspiring story of a man who is responsible for many educational and learning institutes in India. He is an Indian American businessman and philanthropist. And my dear friends, if you go for the facts, he has invested or he has donated more than 100 crores towards Indian education system. Yes, and he is Padma Shri. However, he is none other than Ganpat Bhai Patel ji. Yes, my dear friends, he is owner of Gujarat University. He has started up that with all the new ventures of education, online and offline platforms, right, and education and learning. Because of his love for education, at the age of 19 he went to America for his higher studies. However, he belonged to a very simple and humble family, and he has seen all the colors of life. And whatever success he has got in his life, it is only because of his own dedication, his own diligence, his own capabilities. And you will be surprised to know that he's the first one to invest in Apple and have Apple share, because he was in America. He stayed in America and he has a citizenship of America also. And he has invested in Berkshire Hathaway also, which is Warren Buffett's organization. You all must be knowing about this company, right? And he has received Padma Shri, as I already mentioned. Not only Padma Shri, you'll be surprised to know that he has received many awards, recognitions and certificates at national and international platforms. Yes, my dear friends, he has received many. The list is endless. I will send you the Wikipedia page. You can go through the list, because if I will keep on talking, it will go up to maybe half an hour or so, right? Because he has received many certificates in US also. So many of you are knowing about him. However, so many of you are not knowing about him, right? Must not be. So I believe that these people should be known to us, because we also should get inspired from their life, and we should also do certain things. And my dear friends, he's above 70, and you know what, he's still working, and he's still working towards his mission to educate everyone. His love for education is commendable and highly inspirational, right? So I hope you all have got inspiration, and today I have a very simple wellness mantra. Today our wellness mantra is to leave hypocrisy. I will tell you one thing, how we are hypocrite. We say that paisa haath ki mail hai, right? Money is the evil of, money is the root cause of all. You might have filled the sentence in your brain also. Money is the root cause of all evils, right? As you might have already heard, इतने पैसे मत रखो अपने पास, गिर जाएंगे, गुम जाएंगे, ऐसा हो जाएगा, वैसा हो जाएगा, राइट? उसको बैंक में रखो, इधर रखो. तो पैसा तो कुछ भी नहीं है, मनी मेरे लिए मैटर नहीं करता, राइट? तो however we all want money deep inside, ये एक सच है, राइट? हम यही कहते हैं, चलो पैसे दे दो यार, मुझे दे दो, मुझे दे दो, मुझे दे देते. हम यही कहते हैं ना, वी ऑल से कि यार इतने पैसे बर्बाद किए, मुझे दे देता. मतलब हमें चाहिए पैसे, बट हमें उसके लिए एफर्ट नहीं लगानी है, राइट? हमें उसके लिए हिपोक्रेसी रखनी है. आप एक बात सोचिए, हर एक चीज़ एनर्जी है, राइट? वी से एवरीथिंग इज एनर्जी, everything is having a vibration. Same way money has also vibration. Even this hairband which I am putting, it is also having a vibration. कभी आप अपने छोटे से बच्चे को कहकर देखिए, आई डोंट लव यू, तुम मेरे लिए कोई मायने नहीं रखते, तुम मेरी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स की रूट कॉज हो. देखो तो क्या होता है आपके घर में. कभी किसी को बोल के देखना, अपने पेरेंट्स को या अपने स्पाउस को, जिससे भी आप बहुत प्यार करते हैं, राइट? तो अगर आप पैसों से भी प्यार करते हो, उन्हें भी ऐसा कभी मत कहिए, राइट? तो ये हिपोक्रेसी छोड़ दीजिए. अगर आप, इफ़ यू रियली वांट दैट मनी शुड फ्लो लाइक फ्लोइंग वाटर इन योर लाइफ, राइट? सो अप्रिशिएट मनी, कीप ऑन लविंग इट. I mean, don't be miser or greedy. There is a thin line. Like I have already explained you the line between self-love and narcissism. Same way, being greedy, miser, and being respectful towards money has a very thin line, which will take long. So I hope my mantra is clear, that don't be hypocrite towards the things which you want and which you like in your life, right? So have a healthy and happy life. So hope to see you tomorrow, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Gratitude always. Bye bye, see you, take care.